Hey, what is up? I look different. Why? So I kind of got sunburned at the pool. It's been a few days since I got it, but look at that tan line. I hate it. I hate it so much. I like being white. My hair is up in a bun, so like I don't get extra warmth on my sunburn. I mean, it's pretty good now. I can lift my arm up and it doesn't sting, but it still kind of hurts. But last night I made this little lemon bag. Let me show you how cool it is. So you get your little thing around and you untie it, and then you pull it out, and then you flip it, and then you flip it like that. And then you got a little mesh market bag. Isn't this so cool? I crocheted this all last night while watching, what movie was I watching? Tinkerbell, the first one. I haven't watched that in forever. But isn't it so cool? Y'all really need to make one. It was honestly like super easy, like as an experienced crocheter. This is so cute. And then to put it back, go in, flip it, put your hand in the lemon, grab all this, twist, hold it, and boom. And then at first I was a little confused on how to do the thing, tie it, whatever this is, I don't know. Like put it through the mesh, and then you put it around the leaves. And then there you go, you little lemon. My dog wanted to say hi. Oh, and my leaf, my new Monstera leaf. Look how big it's getting. Look at that. And I also got like a little, oh, he's softer now. I got a little palm towel bread. Look at my little bread. He's just been sitting on my shelf. And then my Monstera leaf. Ooh. Where I've sprayed how many times in this, and I still have them. And my leaf is yellow. And I don't know why. I was thinking maybe it's because, what was it? Since I repotted it, and it's like, I'm still getting used to it. The leaf's coming apart. It's the first leaf with holes in it. It's my first leaf ever since I got it. Oh my word, look at the roots. That's wild. And then what I've been doing is just like getting a little bit of water on my hands and just lightly putting a little bit of water on the leaf just to help moisten it up so it doesn't like rip. Ooh, I'm so excited to see it. I'm excited for this to grow up and be like huge, and I need to have it on the floor and it's gonna be touching the ceiling. But I also need to be cleaning my room because we finally leave in less than a week. Wait, it's today the 2nd? Yeah, 2nd, so 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we leave in 3 days. Hey, my mom and sister are home. But anyway, I'm gonna be cleaning my room. See y'all in a few. So since we leave for New York and PA in a few days, let's do a little pack with me. By the way, do you want to keep my hair up like this or not? Let's start packing. And I got this big suitcase. Oops. So right now this whole suitcase just has all my storage stuff, like my bags, fanny pack. My backpack I'm gonna be needing is out in the living room. Right there. And let's see what clothes we got. And since we're going to be there for a month, we're definitely going to be needing to wash our clothes at the Airbnbs that we're going to be at. So I'm going to bring not too many clothes. All my public clothes are here. Do y'all have like public clothes and indoor clothes? Because like those are my home clothes. These are my public clothes. I really want a jacket. So we got this one. And I'm going to bring a bunch of short sleeves because the weather up there is about to be good. Okay. Pants and shorts, biker shorts, leggings, shorts again, and leggings. In you go. And socks. I might be bringing a bunch of socks. I love my Adidas. And these are all gifts. Well, the blanket is a gift for my cousin, for my other cousin, and this is my swimsuit cover-up that I made specifically for the beach. What else do I need? I got jackets, I got shirts, pants, extra stuff. Heating pad. We're just packing just the suitcase right now. Everything else, like carry on with me in the car, that's gonna be closer to our day when we leave. Got dry shampoo, phone protector case for whenever we go swimming. Portable power pack is gonna be with me. What else do I need? Shoes, obviously. Blow dryer, probably crochet hooks, and my headphones. These are my favorite travel headphones ever. These are gonna be really needed. Brush, tripod, and hand sanitizer. Okay, let's try to see if we can get all this looking good. My camera died, but we're good. We're plugged in now. We're on life support. But yeah, this smells so stinking good. And it's the only one there that I actually liked how it smelled. And now for the Barnes & Noble haul. Give you a little hint. So we, of course, got Air of Fire, the next book in the Throne of Glass series. And y'all, we're building it. We are building it. Currently this far in Crown of Midnight. This cover, I can't get over how pretty this cover is. And we're already tabbing up. There's a lot of cute moments in this book. I'm really excited to finish it. And then this other book is the prettiest book I've ever owned. And it is called The Night and the Moth. It's so pretty. So I saw like a video about this on Pinterest, and it says it's a gothic romantic fantasy, and I'm like, I need you, bro. And I'm so excited to read it. It's the first in the series, and it just came out, so I'm gonna need to have a little bit of patience to wait for the next one, but really excited. And then I finished reading Together Apart on my Kindle, so add that to the Goodreads list. But I'm actually doing pretty well with reading on my Kindle. Lots of short stories. That's my trick. We need to clean my room, dudes. I don't know why I can never keep a room clean. So over here is my dresser area, and I want to try to get some bookends and have all my Throne of Glass thing on the wall. Ooh, also, I don't know if this works or not, but look how pretty this pocket watch is that my dad let me have. And I don't know if you're supposed to wear it like this or like wrapped around something or whatnot, but it's so cool. I was like, I don't know why I'm just so drawn to this. It's just so pretty. I don't know, does hypnosis even work? Possibly, I just dozed off. Kind of want to clean this off right now. Let's do it. Pillowcases, don't need those. Let's light a candle. And I've had this lighter for like 2 or 3 years, and it's a rechargeable one. And yes, it actually works. I wasn't sure that this candle was gonna last very long, but it's such a good lighter. And it's this green color, and I'm still not tired of it. Let's get back to work. Need a hair tie. Let's just see if I can stand these up all by themselves. Hold up. Wait, I wonder if I can use my perfume. Getting black soot all over my dresser. Okay, this is probably really flammable, and I probably shouldn't have it around a candle, but let's see if this rubbing alcohol works to clean this. Hold up. Huh, it's working. I'm blowing this candle out. Don't want to risk anything. Oh, yours should be fine on top of my dresser, or projector. That's scratched. Oh man, it better not be scratched. I love this dresser. That just made stuff worse. By the way, huge earring girly. And I got all of these earrings. And this is just like a sauce container I got from the clearance section at Walmart. And I finally took out my original ear piercings and replaced them with these ones. So now I have pearls instead of the starter stars. My moon! Where are we gonna put them? I have them on the cool setting. Place them right there. I feel like we need to move something around. Move you. I can do this. Maybe that there, that next to it, and this on top. Does that look okay? Does that look good? No idea. Actually, not mad. That looks pretty good. I wonder if I can like polish it up or switch something up. Well, actually, I'm kind of in the middle of reading Crown of Midnight, so I'm going to take that out and just do boom. Not mad at all. I feel like I need to change my earrings or at least add in some right there. What should I do though? I want to do studs so I can, you know, go to sleep and still have earrings in. Yeah, they're the same size. And I don't usually clean out my earrings for my original lobe piercing, just because they've just been healed for years. They're kind of resilient like that. There we go. All good. Put this back over here. Don't hate that. Putting the candle back over here. I'm not going to light it just yet. Kind of want to wait a little bit. And as much as I want to read this right now, I should probably finish this book first. And right now it's going to be on my shelf right here. Right here's my little TBR shelf. This never stays clean. This area right here can never stay clean. I'm just trying to figure out how else I can arrange all this and it can still all be accessible. Because I have my projector up there and that's my projector wall. I might have to think about what I don't use here and if I can transfer over to that. No idea. But let's read Crown of Midnight for a little while. And kind of sad news. My audiobook I had on the Libby app for Crown of Midnight kind of expired. And the week for it is about a 6-week wait. And I think I'm just going to have to trudge through reading it manually. I probably should have figured out where I was in the audiobook because I returned it and I didn't check. So I don't know what chapter I'm on. I think I'm on chapter 20 because I just read like the end of the chapters and none of them I remembered. Yay, chapter 20, page 162 out of 418. And no, I did not read the ending. I didn't even look. Not that crazy. I need to charge this too because, wait, what percentage is my Kindle at? Oh, 52. Not bad, actually. Some of the books I actually have on here, I think they were all free on Amazon, but I have the book set Dragon's Blood right there. And then I have Flames of Chaos. I'm not sure if I want to read that one because I went on like ChatGPT or Google and tried to see how much spice was in it because I want low or to none spice because I really don't care about that stuff. And I don't remember if that one was high or low. Actually, I think it was low because there was another book I got for free and it was like super high and I'm like, yeah, no. Then there's By Vengeance Guided and that one looked really cool. But I have it on my little Kindle screensaver, which is like a little hack. Brightness is all the way down and it's just going to be chilling up in my little hammock. Let's read.